Well, hello everyone. We're in Manchester today, the Etihad Stadium. Guy Mowbray with you for commentary. Delighted to be joined by Sue Smith. And it's a game from the Premier League on the way. It's Manchester City versus Arsenal.
Well, thanks as always, Guy. It's a real pleasure to be here. It's been buzzing ahead of kick-off. Let's hope the football lives up to the atmosphere.
This is the Manchester City starting 11. Ederson is between the posts. Joško Gvardiol plays with Kyle Walker in the fullback positions. Phil Foden plays with Jack Grealish out wide. And the main man in attack is Erling Haaland. This is how Arsenal line up. Ben White plays with Takehiro Tomiyasu in the fullback positions. Martin Odegaard plays alongside Declan Rice in the centre of midfield, and they're playing with just one up front. Kai Havertz. Phil Foden is tricky, he's exciting, skillful, unpredictable. Will he produce something special for us in this game?
Yeah, 2 goals last time out. That's why he's the focus. Difficult to mark because he's always on the move. Intelligent.
De Bruyne. Brilliant work by the man in goal. That's a top stop. It's put into the middle. And there's no margin for error here. Oh, maybe a bit of space now. De Bruyne. And still the chance might come. Well, a bit of a disappointing end to the attack.
Well, I thought we were going to see an early goal here. And what a start that would have been for them. But the keeper did so well to keep it out.
Partey. Joško Gvardiol. Manuel Akanji. Phil Foden. Walker. Played into the near post. It's away, but it's not finished yet. It stops there. Nothing at the end of it. Havertz. Allowed to go a long way with this. Akanji. Leandro Trossard. Havertz. Wasteful from Arsenal. De Bruyne to take the lead and ready for it coming his way. Out for a throw with a little deflection on its way.
This is a message for away supporters.
Havertz.
Can you please remain where you are, and your coach will meet you outside the stand.
Havertz.
Thank you.
Well, it was looking good, but ultimately nothing doing. A chance to deliver into the box. And cleared well away from goal. There's space out wide for City now. There it is! That's the breakthrough, and fully deserved, you have to say.
Well, we can see it again now, and they're so dangerous in these transitions. The speed of the counter-attack is really impressive, and that's a great technique, exactly how you get taught to head the ball as a kid. It's a good finish.
Havertz. Onto Rice. He's done well to get past his marker, but they won't be going any further. Nicely won. De Bruyne. De Bruyne. Leandro Trossard. The pass was read and the ball has changed hands. Beaten easily here. He takes aim. And that's a great bit of goalkeeping. That's what he's there for. Corner kick played in. It's in! 2 to the good. That little bit of buffer. And it's just a matter of keeping concentration now.
Well, here it is again, and it's a good delivery in from the corner. And what a superb finish too. He got himself free and beats the keeper well.
25,
Saka. Making good progress here. And that's a foul and a free kick. Well, that's as easy as it gets for a goalkeeper. Foden. Saliba. Tomiyasu. But it's no good. It's cleared everyone. Gabriel. Now Saka. Space now to get a crossover. Cuts it back. There's a chance for the breakaway here. Guardiola. Now, this has to be. Well, there's another, and they're running away with it now. It's become a question of just how many they'll get.
Well, here it is again, and just look at how quickly they break forward, cause all sorts of problems. And as soon as he's through 1v1 with the goalkeeper, he just goes for power and smashes it in the net. It's a quality finish.
And that will do it. The first kick of the second half of a game which Arsenal will want to forget so far. Able to skip past his man. Has to be. And it's there. And he's put that one away very nicely indeed.
Well, here's the replay, and he does really well. He takes his man on with ease. But the keeper shouldn't get beat at his near post there. He just doesn't get his angles right. He'll be gutted conceding that.
Rodri. This is Walker. Good work from Arsenal to win back possession. Havertz. Erling Haaland. Bernardo Silva. The approach play looked encouraging, but good defending to snuff out any threat. Leandro Trossard. Rodri. The crowd encouraging him to take it on. He was asked to have a go, and it wasn't a bad attempt.
He certainly took the right option. It opened up, no one was closing him down, so why not have a go? And that wasn't far off. Well, it's a brilliant attacking display, so much quality in the final third, and the finishes have been really clinical. The back line just doesn't have the answers. They need to organise themselves quickly, or this could be a heavy defeat for them.
Brilliant challenge, but it's not away. Out it goes, corner coming.
Substitution for Manchester City. Coming off the pitch, number 25, Manuel Akanji. To be replaced by...
And the ball comes in, and the keeper makes the save. And really, we shouldn't have expected anything else. Well, not quite fully away here. And the keeper has done really well to keep the header out. And that will be a corner for City.
Substitution for Manchester City. Coming off the pitch, number 16, Rodri. Coming onto the pitch, number 8.
Played into the box. And the corner dealt with. Bernardo Silva. Great defending. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Rice. Sloppy in possession from Arsenal. Mateo Kovacic. Oh, maybe a bit of space now. Great chance here. Well, he's got two now, and he's playing a starring role here. The game gets going again, with Manchester City starting to run away with this. Jorginho. On to Rice. Jesus. This is Walker. De Bruyne. Arsenal with the ball again. Bernardo Silva. And a really good bit of goalkeeping to keep out the headed attempt.
Coming off the pitch, number 4, Ben White, and number 29, Kai Havertz. To be replaced by number 35, Alexander Zinchenko, and number 11, Gabriel Martinelli.
And here it comes. Oh, it's a really good header, but it's met by a more than decent save. The ball back with Raya. Played to Gabriel. Tomiyasu. Played to Martinelli. Jesus. Great tackle, but still trouble. And it's a pretty good save by the keeper. It's put into the middle. Well, the corner delivered too close to the keeper, and he'll take those all day. Foden. City recovering possession well. Edging ever closer to goal here. And the promise of something happening is over. Bit of a squeeze on here. Saka. On to Jesus. What a chance here. Oh, it's in. Oh, yes, what a way to silence this crowd. We restart at 4-2. The goals continue to come. Diaz. On to Mateo Kovacic. Now Haaland. He's in here. And a brilliant save.
What a stop that is. Really good goalkeeping.
Rice. Found nicely and in. Has to be. And a goal to take them even further clear. Signing off in style.
If we take a look at this again, it's great centre-forward play. Uses his body.
Well, there's the final whistle. And it's Manchester City who take the 3 points.
Well, that was really comfortable, wasn't it? The play going forward was so clinical.
Corner kick played in. Guardiola. And it's there, and he's put that one away. And a goal to